You wanted to learn how to get started in crypto, what apps, and just what is the first step to take into getting your crypto journey started. Well, I'm here to help you today. You're going to need a couple apps. The first ones are going to be Gemini. It's going to look exactly like this. Okay, I'm going to update it myself actually. And then the next one is going to be Coinbase. It's going to look just like this. And the next one you're going to do is Dex Screener. It's going to look exactly like that. And the next one, Phantom Wallet. This is going to be a hot wallet, decentralized wallet. You're going to also want to get CoinMarketCap. Looks like that. And you're going to want to also get BaseApp. It's going to look exactly like this. Okay? Now, once you have all those, to learn how to use, buy and sell crypto and all that good stuff, first, you're going to want to find coins, right? So go ahead and go over to Dex Screener and see, you can find a lot of good new coins over on Dex Screener. You can make little watch lists just like this, and you can go and find new coins coming out all the time, just like that. Pick different trending by the 5-minute, 1 hour, 24-hour, new listings coming out, all that good stuff. Search up specific coins like Fefe, my favorite one. And in there you can see the people that are buying and selling, the holders, all that awesome stuff, transactions, the chart. And next, after you find the coin that you're looking for, right? Let's say it's Fefe, you can copy from the clipboard just like that, which is the beautiful thing. And from there, you can go on over to your centralized exchange after you connect it to your bank. Then you can go ahead and fund your centralized exchange with money. So you can buy Ethereum, you can buy Bitcoin, whatever you want to buy. In this one specifically, I have $114 in Bitcoin from my credit card that I've been using. And you guys can actually send me a DM or in the comments wherever you see this video. If you want the credit card, I can give you the referral link to get the credit card. We'll both earn $75 and a referral link for setting up your account on this. And we'll also both get free money. So don't miss out on signing up on Gemini. Now, if you're over here on Gemini and you want to say fund your hot wallet, okay, which is going to be, for this case, let's say, Phantom Wallet. So you're going to go over to your Phantom Wallet and open that up. And you can see there's all these different things. There's this switchy thing, there's this, your transactions, the search bar. You're going to click on this middle one, okay? And up here, I like to typically switch this so that way Ethereum is at the top. Normally it's like this, switch it so Ethereum's at the top. And also hit this so it's saying you're paying with dollar signs instead of Ethereum. It's just easier to know how much you're going to use. So normally Fefe won't already be in there. Maybe it'll be something else, let's just say, for example, USDC or something. So we have Ethereum up top. We want to buy our coin. So we're going to click copy on Fefe. Go here, paste it, click it, bam. Now we can buy $100 worth of Fefe or whatever amount we wanted. And that's how you're going to use, that's how you're going to buy these meme coins. But how do you get Ethereum over to this wallet in the first place? So if you want Ethereum in this wallet, you're going to click on your Ethereum and see the receive button right over here to the left. Click receive, copy. That's going to be your Ethereum address for this wallet. And then you're going to go on back over to your Gemini account where there's Ethereum and hit transfer, send. And then you're going to send however much Ethereum you want over to your wallet by pasting that address into the search bar, and then send it over to that wallet. Okay. And once you send it, it'll end up over here in your Ethereum wallet where it says $1.27. You'll see that $100 or whatever. Then from there, you can click on that, like I said, click on the middle one right here, and then bam. That's literally how you get Ethereum over from a centralized exchange over to a hot wallet. Super simple, over to your own decentralized banking wallet. Same thing can be done with your base wallet, right? So your base wallet, the same thing. Coinbase, same thing. You just click on your Ethereum on your Coinbase account and go over to your Ethereum, receive, copy your address, go back over, hit transfer. You're going to send it. You're going to paste that address and then send it. And it'll show up over here in your base account. And then you can click here, swap, and however much USD you want to swap, choose your asset. You paste your coin that you want to buy. Make sure you have the copied address. Copy, paste. There it is, and you buy it. And that is how you're going to buy meme coins. And now that is how you're going to get money from your bank account into your centralized exchange account over to your decentralized hot wallet account and buy meme coins and crypto early before they get onto centralized exchanges that everyone has access to. I hope this helps. Please like, subscribe, repost wherever you're seeing this video. I hope this helped. Thank you so much and have a good bull run.